Okay, today's recipe is chicken stroganoff. We're gonna use a lot of ingredients for this. It's gonna be, first we have the sausage, the pasta from Barilla, we have Magnolia dairy cream, then we have the sour cream, we have Magnolia chicken, we have Jolly mushrooms. Over here we are gonna have flour, and then our chicken cubes for the stock, onions, bell peppers, and of course the spices. And our unique ingredient for today is gata for our chicken stroganoff. Okay, our spaghetti. Instead of the normal fettuccine, we're gonna use spaghetti because it's more local and Filipinos love to use this noodle for the household. So here you go. Onions. Next are mushrooms from Jolly. 1 more tablespoon of butter. Okay, next is Magnolia chicken, 600 grams. Vienna sausage from Libby's. Next is very colorful bell pepper. Paprika. Flour. Next is 1 teaspoon of salt. Just estimating right now. And then pepper. Look at all the color. Next is our Knorr chicken stock. Next is this sauce, which I don't know how to say. And then our sour cream. And then of course our secret ingredient is gata. Next, for the last cooking process, Barilla spaghetti. Just gonna put it all there. Okay, now we are plating our local version of chicken stroganoff. My own version of chicken stroganoff, which we added bell peppers, Vienna sausage, lots of chicken, and of course our secret ingredient, the gata. Enjoy.